Hi there, I'm Graham Lewis, and in this video we're going to discuss working out what your regular payment is when you need to save $30,000 and the bank offers 5.5% per annum compounded monthly. So what should you be saving each month to do that? So firstly, this is an ordinary annuity question, but it's working sort of backwards to work out what your regular payment is because you know how much you need to save. So we know, let's say we want to do this over 4 years, so we know the period. So if it's 4 years, we know that because we're paying monthly, it's 4 times 12, my number of periods is 48. So we know that that's 48. So we know that the sum of the first 48 terms of the geometric series is $30,000. So we know that as well. So let's let the monthly payment, the regular payment, be R as normal. So we'll let the regular payment be R. That's what we're trying to find out. And the first term of my geometric series is obviously R, because you start with putting your regular payment in there. Then also I need to work out my common ratio R. So we know that the common ratio R is equal to 1 plus I, where I is your interest for your periodic regular payment. So we know in this example that we've got 5.5% compounded over 12 months. So that's our I. So I is 5.5% divided by 12. And then when we add that to 1 and work it out, it's not very nice. It's 1.004583 recurring. So not a very nice decimal. Now it's really, really important with these annuity questions not to round these, right? So leave that on your calculator display. In actual fact, what I am recommending you to do, and what I did, is I stored that in my memory. So I put that number, 1 plus I stored it in the memory of my calculator. I put it in the memory A, because you've often got many different memories. You've got the M memory button, and then most modern calculators have A, B, C, D, E. They have quite a few. So I stored it in A. So now I want you to think of this 1 plus I as in my calculator memory is A. So we know that after 48 months, that's my future value of my annuity is $30,000. And I know that's equal to the first term R, which we're trying to find out. We know that in general it's equal to 1 minus R to the N, but my common ratio R is this 1 plus I. It's 1.00. I'll write it in for now. 1.004583 recurring to the N, and we know N is 48, divided by, and a 1 minus this horrible number, don't approximate it, 1.004583 recurring, like that. And we want to work out R. Now the thing is, this number, what I'm suggesting here, this number is in our calculator as A, and this number is A. So all we have to do is rearrange this formula using some pretty simple algebra. So clearly we need to multiply both sides to get rid of this denominator by 1 minus A. So the first thing I would do on my calculator is 30,000 multiplied by 1 minus A, put brackets, 1 minus, use my 1 minus A, and I'll get R times 1 minus A to the power of 48. So now I've got a horrible number on my calculator display. I'm not even going to write it down. And I need to divide that horrible number, 30,000 times 1 minus A, divide it by, and use brackets on your calculator, divide by bracket 1 minus and to the A to the power of 48 and close your bracket. And that is your answer R. So try it yourself. Pause the video and count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there you have it. Hopefully you got the same answer. If you need some help with your calculator, just ask someone, but that should help you storing it in the memory, and you should have a regular payment of $560.19 a month. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please watch some of my others, and have a lovely day.